I moved to Cleveland when I was 10 years old. Cleveland's the heart of the Rust Belt. There's the most amazing old factories that really helped build our nation. The work I do is very minimalistic, and I try to surround myself around the things that I think are beautiful. A few years ago, I used to drive an hour to a Menards store. Now there's several new ones in the Cleveland area. Menards is the box of puzzle pieces. When I get there and I'm working on a project, all the pieces of the puzzle come together with all the materials that are there. There's no other place that has such a variety in one spot. Standing in front of a furnace is really tough, strenuous work. But as I get older, the phenomenon of this weird puddle of glass turning into something just inspires me more and more that I'm able to do that. My whole life, people told me I wouldn't be able to do and create as a career, and I never believed them. That gave me strength to go forward. Building is a way of life for me. It's who I am, it's what I am, it's how I express myself. When I build something, I continually get better at what I do every day. And when I look at a piece that I just built, there's no better sense of accomplishment than to see somebody else enjoying it.